What's up everybody? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can change the size and style of your fonts in your device Oppo A57e. So if you want to change font size and style in your device Oppo A57e, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can change font size and style in your device.